What is your name?
My name is Sami Yuvraj Mirchi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Yuvraj Pallavi Mirchi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is
Yuvraj Mirchi.
Yuvraj Mirchi.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Pallavi.
What is your school name?
My school name is Thomas Down.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Belgavi.
What is your country name?
My country name is India.
Who is the father of our nation?
Gandhi Tata.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Sri Narendra Modi ji.
Okay, what is this?
National for the India.
Okay, how many colors are there in national flag?
Saffron, white, green.
Okay, now what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is
Kannada.
Kannada.
Okay, what is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
What is the national game of India? Hockey. What is the national anthem of India? What is the national emblem of India? Who wrote the national anthem? Who give medicines when we are ill?
Doctor.
Who guards our country?
Shoulder.
Okay. Shapes दिखाओ. Triangle.
Triangle. Rectangle.
Prayer ಹೇಳು. Prayer. Oh God.
Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate but to love. Sandal is from above.
Okay. Now festivals. Names बताओ. रक्षाबंधन.
Rakshabandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas tree.
Okay.